Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the unboxing of the Fitbit Versa and we'll be doing an overview of it. So basically this is going to be the same kind of packaging like how you've seen for the Charge 2. So the packaging looks similar, nothing much. The only difference I see is it says that it's you have the small and the large wristband with it. So with this I only got one. So you have to choose between large or small or medium or XL and all these things. So you get only one size. With this, you actually get two sizes, small and large. So that's why you see L and S both on here. So that's a good addition. Let me show you the price. So basically this is for 19,999, so almost to 20,000 rupees. So this has a lot of features. I'll be talking about that later on. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now to unbox this, I really don't need my unboxing knife. You have this tab over here, so you have to pull the tab and the seal is broken. So that's it. So that was the seal. So let's open it up. Now you just have to leave it. Oh, slide it too fast. Okay, so nothing in here. Keep this aside. Okay, and let me just take out the watch. Okay, so that's the watch. Let's keep it aside. We'll open that up later. Okay. Okay, so there are the straps. That's the charging cradle. Oh, okay, so one side you get extra. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, safety instruction. Oh, I cannot put it, I don't know. So normally you get all the things together. This is all separate. Okay, so that's it. That's what you get with this. Let me just close this now. Okay, nothing here. Okay, so let me close this. Keep this aside. Don't need that. So pretty sturdy box. So in case you are ordering it online, so I don't think anything's going to happen to your device because this is pretty strong. Now let's see what's written on the box. Okay, nothing much. Basically fitness tracker, music, heart rate, messages. Okay, mobile payment. Actually this has I don't know whether it's got NFC or it's got some other technology built into it. We'll be talking about that later on. And it's swim proof. So most of the Fitbit devices are not swim proof. You can use it. I have actually made videos on it, but it's not recommended. And if something happens to it, Fitbit is not going to give you any warranty on it. Okay, so that's it. So let's take a look at the watch itself. Now this is completely made of metal. Now the design is a little different. We'll talk about that later. Let's look at the back first. So the back has a sensor built into it which is flush to the body. So it's not protruding out like all the other Fitbit devices. This does not protrude out. So that makes it very comfortable to use. So there are times that I don't even realize that I'm wearing a watch or a band or whatever this you want to call it. Actually this is a watch, but I don't even realize that I'm wearing it. So it's that, first of all, it's very light, and second of all, because of this design, it doesn't grab onto my hand, and I don't sweat from a certain area, or I don't have any indentation on my hand where the sensor is. So that's something which I have a problem with most of the watches, but this one does not give me that problem. Now you have three sensors at the back and one LED light which actually illuminates your skin and gets the heart rate data. So because of those three sensors, the data is much more accurate, and you have the charging points over here which goes on to the charging cradle, and that's how it's charged. So it's very easy to use, very convenient. The only complaint that I have is this is very, very light. So when I actually put it for charging, this actually moves that much. So I have to make sure that the wire is stretched and it stays in one place, and now I think I'll have to actually stick it to some place so that it doesn't move, because this is very light. Ideally they should have put some weight in the stand so that it doesn't move that much, because the watch is also light, this is also light, so they move a lot when you're charging it. So that's one thing that you'll have to look into. Now let's talk about the front. So the front is completely made of glass. Now this is also flush. Now it's not curved, it's not straight, so it's a mix of both. So it's going straight then slight curve, then straight, then slight curve, and then straight again, then slight curve, and then straight again, then slight curve, and then straight again. So it's a different design. It looks almost like a Pebble and a Apple Watch mix. So very nice. I really like the design. I did not really know what to expect from this when I actually unboxed it, but I used it for a day and I really like it. Now it's just that it's a fitness watch, it's not a smartwatch. Now that's one thing that you'll have to remember. Now if you're buying a Fitbit device, remember that it's not a smartwatch or a smart device which can actually allow you to interact with your phone. So it does not have a mic. You cannot do a voice response. You cannot type on this. You cannot do any of that thing. You will be able to get messages, you'll be able to get notifications, but you will not be able to do anything more than that. So like I'm used to the Apple Watch and the Android Watch. So both of them have a mic in it, so I can actually talk to it. I can tell something. I can actually pick calls. All those things are not here. So in case you're looking for that, look elsewhere. Fitbit devices are not smartwatches. They'll not help you in getting any kind of data like that. Like you cannot do any of those smartwatch related things. So keep that in mind. This will only give you these options. Let me just show you that. So you go into menu, you get exercise, music, alarm, coach, relax, weather, blah blah, wallet, and settings. Then you can install third-party apps like Deezer, Uber, and leaderboard, and whatever. So all these small things, but everything is related to fitness. So you do not get much of an option. Music also, you do not get a music control which can control the music which is playing on your phone. So if you're playing something on your phone and you think I will control it from the Fitbit, it cannot do that. Strangely enough, it cannot do that. It'll only allow you to control the music which is loaded into it. So you'll have to transfer music. For transferring also, there's a different process. I'll make a different video for that. So you'll have to transfer music first, then connect this with Bluetooth to your earphone, and then use it that way. So strangely, that's a weird thing which they didn't think about. Maybe in future updates, the things will be better. But right now, this cannot control the music on your phone. So, okay, whatever. Now, one good thing though is, now this Fitbit can actually connect with Wi-Fi. So it can connect to your home network and then communicate with your phone or communicate with your account that way. So in case you do not have your phone with you, but you have Wi-Fi at home, you're wearing it, you're roaming around in the house, your data goes to your Fitbit account. So from your Fitbit, you can actually open up your Fitbit account wherever you want and get all the data from there. So you do not have to have your phone with you to synchronize all your data. So that's one more good thing, integration that they've done, which is not there in the previous ones. So I really like the Wi-Fi integration. I really like the form factor. The battery life is much better. Now the display is also much better. You are able to see very clearly outside. Now I'll be making a comparison video between this and the Apple Watch and the Android Wears and Pebble and all these things. I'll be doing that later on. I'll be showing you how it actually looks outside. I'll be taking it in the swimming pool. I'll be doing all these real life tests that I generally do. I've already started it, and I'll tell you now itself. Fitness wise, excellent smartwatch. You get all the options. Now the only complaint that I have is the band. It's really difficult to put them back. If you remove it, then you actually struggle to put them back. I actually struggled a lot, and in the struggle I have actually scratched the watch also. So now I'm okay with it. I'm able to fit it properly, but while I was trying to put it before, I have actually scratched it. That's how I know this is metal, it's not plastic, because I have a scratch mark on it. But yes, if you are thinking of a band of a smartwatch which is easy to where the band is easy to remove, and you can actually change it from formal to sports mode every day, then I will not really recommend this that much, because it's not that easy to fit. So now I'm able to do it better because I've been using it and I've been trying it again and again. So I've been able to fit it properly. But it's one of the things that a lot of people complain about, that the band is not that great. So all in all, that's it for the overview. I think I've covered most of the things. The band is made of rubber as usual, different design. it looks like a regular smartwatch, but yes, you do have the teeth over here which actually keeps the band together and does not let it fall. So mix of both. So this actually looks like a Pebble and a Fitbit mixed together. So this is actually better. I actually was missing Pebble a lot because I even though I had smartwatches, smart bands, I always used to use my Pebble. But after Pebble closed, I had no other option. Now this is actually something which I can look into after the Pebble has gone. So whoever likes Pebble will like this. Whoever likes Fitbit will like this. Whoever wants a fitness band which actually monitors most of the things, like in the gym, swimming pool, cardio, all these kind of exercises, then this is going to be a good option for you. And it's not that expensive. It's only 20,000 rupees in the Indian market. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.